Question number 1. Chalya Committee report consist of? Answer. Both A and B. Question number 2. The taxable capacity of a person can be measured in terms of? Answer. Both A and B. Question number 3. Equality in taxation refers to? Answer. Equality in sacrifice. Question number 4. A combination of progressive and proportional tax. Answer. Degressive tax. Question number 5. Examples of non-tax revenue. Answer. Both A and B. Question number 6. Quid pro quo means? Answer. Direct benefit. Question number 7. The chairman of the 13th Finance Commission of India was? Answer. Vijay Kelkar. Question number 8. The taxes whose burden can be shifted to others so that those who pay these taxes to the government do not bear the whole burden but pass it on wholly or partly to others are referred as? Answer. Indirect taxes. Question number 9. Which measure of macroeconomic stabilization program stated that the government can justifiably raise user charges on public utilities like electricity, irrigation, transportation and water? Answer. Fiscal adjustment. Question number 10. Expenditure incurred on civil administration and defense is classified as? Answer. Non-plan expenditure. Question number 11. Which tax will be categorized as direct tax? Answer. Corporate tax. Question number 12. With an increase in margin requirement, availability of credit in the economy? Answer. Decreases. Question number 13. Consider the following statements about Monetary Policy Committee (MPC). Answer. All of these. Question number 14. Under which qualitative tool RBI fixes maximum limit to loan and advances that can be made, above which the commercial banks cannot exceed? Answer. Rationing of credit. Question number 15. Reverse repo rate is a tool used by RBI to? Answer. Absorb liquidity. Question number 16. Consider the following statements. Answer. Both A and B. Question number 17. When the Reserve Bank of India announces an increase in the cash reserve ratio, what does it mean? Answer. The commercial banks will have less money to lend. Question number 18. Which of the following guidelines by the RBI does not hamper the profitability of commercial banks in India? Answer. Bank rate. Question number 19. On which Commission's recommendations Reserve Bank of India was established? Answer. Hilton-Young Commission. Question number 20. The Reserve Bank of India was established on? Answer. April 1, 1935.